Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen.
And we're back today to do another recipe, and right now we're in the process of moving the studio to a different location, and today we're doing this in Jen's kitchen.
Yeah, I'm excited. And you know, fall is just around the corner, and we're still at the very end of summer, and I know everybody probably like me has a ton of stuff coming out of the garden, and I'm piling it up and you don't know what to do with it. We decided to make an end of summer hamburger vegetable stew. And so this is some good stuff, man. You've got all your tomatoes coming out, you've got corn, you've got carrots, you've got green beans, onions, summer squash, you've got all kinds of good stuff coming out, and we're gonna just chop it up and throw it in a crock pot and let it cook. And
we even got broth.
Yes, broth is very important. It's very important to have beef broth. You know, beef broth and chicken broth and bone broth, that's like the staple, during the fall and the winter for your recipes. So it's a good thing to have. So anyways, we've already chopped up our green beans and tomatoes.
Right.
But we're going to chop up these zucchini and the summer squash. So Shishi, I'm going to let you, well, should I give you this knife? You might
I don't know. It's dangerous for me to have a knife.
We're going to chop these up.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is just chop those in half and throw them in
and in fourths. And
yeah.
halves. And
halves, fours, whatever you want to do. You can do it in chunks.
yeah.
Oops. You gonna eat it? She's gonna eat it. If it's flying, she's gonna, oh, that looks good. I'll eat that.
Here it comes.
Yeah. So if you don't have a big garden, that's okay. What do you do, Sheila?
You go to the store and buy cans. Canned food of green beans.
Some people don't have time and don't have a place for a garden. It's okay.
Me.
But that's okay because it's still gonna be wonderful either way. Nothing wrong with cans. And beef stock, we're going to put that in there, add a little flavor. You don't want a lot of liquid because you want it to be a stew and make it a little thicker. I've got some onion that's already chopped up. This is about half a cup of onion I'm going to put in here. I've already put another half a cup in with the meat when we browned it up, or actually Mama Donna did. And so we're gonna mix it up, put a little bit more onion. Because there's nothing like...
It's colorful.
It is very colorful. So, and then I've got this ground beef back here. So this is seasoned ground beef, and we've got 2 pounds of it. And we're just going to dump that right in there.
Already got your onions in it.
Oops. Okay, so it's already got the seasoning and garlic salt, garlic powder. It's got onions in it. And this way that's kind of ready to go.
So how long does this stay on?
We're going to put this in the crock pot probably about 4 hours on low, or you can put it on for a couple hours on high, just until your vegetables are cooked pretty much. If you have one of those crock pots that you could just leave on low, and then where it automatically switches over during the day, if you're at work all day long, he just switches over to warm like this one does, then you just put it in the morning.
They got something like that?
That's what that does.
Well.
It looks like since we've got so many yummy vegetables and stuff in there, and the 2 pounds of meat, we're probably going to need a little bit more beef broth. So I'm going to put another cup of that in there. So you don't want it to be, like I said, you're just going to have to kind of monitor it depending on how many veggies you put in. Now today we're going to make this a low carb recipe. So I'm going to omit the corn and the carrots, but we've got green beans and the zucchini and the summer squash, and we've got a little bit of onion, but for the most part this is low carb. And then we're going to put our seasoning. So as she's stirring that up, I've got about a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of garlic salt, and we're just going to mix that up. Get my hands in there and just sprinkle that all over.
Everybody does that.
I know, it's good stuff. I have a little bit of red pepper, probably about a half a teaspoon. I just like it just adds a little bite. Not everybody likes that, but on a pot this big, you're not really gonna taste that much of it. It's just gonna add a little bit of bite to it, and I like that. So we put a little bit of red pepper. and then I've got parsley, and we're gonna sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of parsley in there. Salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna let this cook for a little while, and we'll be back.
This has been cooking in the crock pot for 4 hours.
And it looks just delicious.
Yes, it does.
So colorful.
Okay, you
And-
dip it out.
Yes.
Okay.
Lots of veggies. Look at that.
Mm.
And once again, guys, we made the low carb version of this. You can make this with carrots and corn, and you could dump the works in there. Whatever vegetables that you have left you want to put in there, you could put in there.
And I like to sprinkle cheese on everything that comes out of the
Yes,
crock
you can
pot.
put some cheese on it. I like cheese on it too. But let's try it. Mm-hmm. Not good. As Steve would say, is this the best end of summer hamburger vegetable stew? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter.
and Instagram, and visit us at shotgunred.com where you can submit your recipe, and you can buy Shotgun Red breading mix and dolls and more. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye. And right now we're in the middle of moving our studio in a different area.
We're moving to a different location.
Right. We can tell that we're moving to a different location.
We are moving to it. We're in a whole new location, people.
We're in a different location.
Sheila's in a different location. Okay.
We're at your house.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. We just took this out of the
No,
what?
it's been in the crock pot.
Yeah, I'm so used to the oven.
It's cooked and everything's
It's
good.
cooked. It's been cooking for so long we done forgot what it is. Okay.
She's lost it. You know when it goes late in the day when we're filming
Yeah.
that we start to lose it. We do.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.